Hey guys, here's Louie. Well, after a long day, Friday, matter of fact, yesterday made a week that I painted the car. After a long day Friday and a long day this morning, not too long, but kind of long, longer yesterday, 10 hours. I'm happy to say that Ladybird is done. What I said I was going to do to the car, I did it. She is squared, she is nice and straight, nice and welded the correct way, and now safe to hit the road. Okay, stay tuned to the end of the video. And I recorded her actually moving under her own power. It's sad that this is the first bird I built that I can't drive because I never learned how to drive manual. But I'm happy to say I was able to put another bird on the road. That's not the seat that's gonna go to the car. That's one of my seats. But the owner's coming to pick it up August 29th, and I'm going to do a video of giving him the car back and a little interview. But here goes Ladybird. What a journey from January to August. I believe it's August 16 today. And like I said, I'm done. She looks great. Everything is functional, all the lights, all the mechanic part of it, and the hood tack also functional. I just need to hook up the rear switch for the reverse switch for the lights to actually turn on. It's not that easy because this is being a 68 Firebird with a 69 transmission. None of the brackets for the switch fit, but I'm about to put her in the bird cage on the lift. And my buddy Dominic is gonna come and help me with that, and he has given me a lot of help towards the end with this car, so I'm grateful for guys like that too. Well guys, I tell you all the time, and I promise that if you keep your hands dirty, your project will move forward. Another one on the shelf for me. Take care. Bye bye.